Hello dear students, welcome to EduHub. As a part of writing skills, in one of my previous videos, you have learned how to write a good story. Now in this video, you'll be learning as a part of writing skills, formal letters. Formal or business letters may be of various kinds. Written for official purposes, they may be applications for jobs, leave, permission to organize an event, a letter of complaint, or a letter to the editor of newspaper highlighting a specific problem. Now there are a few things to bear in mind while writing a formal letter. Let us see what they are. The presentation should be concise. Repetition should be avoided. Sentences should not be very long. Formal language should be used. The letter must be written in appropriate format. Students, you can have a look at the components of a formal letter given below. These are the components that you have to incorporate for a good and appealing formal letter. Let us see one by one what they are. And next to these components is given a format of a formal letter. Now let us see what are the components to be incorporated in a formal letter. Sender's name and address, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation, body of the letter, subscription or complimentary clause, and signature. Now let us see one by one in detail. Students, generally the sender's name and address are given in the question, which you have to write in the top left corner of the page. Ensure that the address not to exceed 3 lines. Next important component of a formal letter is date. While writing date, note that the day is written in figures, month in words, and year in full figures. The year is preceded by a comma when the date is written before it. For your reference, both the ways of writing date is given on the right hand side. Next comes receiver's address. The receiver's address should include the designation of the receiver. Do not use punctuation marks in the address. For example, the editor, The Times of India, Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg, New Delhi. If you observe, there are no commas and the editor is a designation. Next component is subject. The subject states precisely the purpose of the letter. Keep the subject short and crisp. Complaint regarding chain snatching incidents in our area is one example. The other is need for a public library in our area. Next important component of formal letter is salutation. The salutation varies depending on whom the letter is addressed to. Use correct names and titles. For example, businessmen as dear ma'am or sir, officials as madam or sir, editors as madam or sir. Next important component of a formal letter is body of the letter. Now this is the main part of the letter. Body of the letter is divided into short, clear paragraphs, mostly in 3 paragraphs. First paragraph is main idea or reference to the issue of the letter. Second paragraph should include details. And third paragraph, it should have the conclusion of the letter with the polite wish, suggestion, or request for action. Next component of a formal letter is subscription, or in other words, complimentary clause. Complimentary clause should be short, polite closing that ends your letter. It should correspond to your salutation. For example, for businessmen, you have to write yours truly or sincerely. If it is official letter, then yours faithfully. If you write the letter to the editor, then you have to conclude it with yours truly as subscription. The last component of a formal letter is signature. Put your signature below the complimentary clause and above your name. So by now you must have learnt how to incorporate some important components in a formal letter. Thank you for watching my video, and in my next video you'll be getting a specimen of how to write a formal letter. Until then, stay tuned for more interesting updates. Thank you once again.